surviving units. We need more time to rig the charges on the droid factory. You've got to push those clankers back!
All that's left, sir.
For the
Count on us.
brothers! Yeah! Okay, troopers. You'll need to call for reinforcements and find yourselves a vehicle. We want to keep those droids out of the factory.
Commander, an HTE.
Reactivate that ATTE. Damaged or not, better than nothing.
Comm station's still breathing. That's something.
All positions here. Contact the Republic. Do whatever you have to do. Tell them we need help. Now! Roll up your sleeves, boys. You want backup? You'll have to work for it.
Can't get a message off of these blasted droids around.
Wait for a grenade!
I need a second, but I may have a signal lock. Any Republic ships. Demolition mission failure imminent.
Copy that, Trooper. Mobilizing response teams. Hold on down there.
ATTE powering up.
All right, next stop, vehicle staging area.
ATTE almost there. I can feel it. Just a bit longer.
With luck, that tank can keep them busy till the cavalry arrives. So the good news is that we have an ATTE and help is on the way. The bad news is the Geonosians told the droids what we're up to. They're unloading more clankers from a couple of hard cell transports. If you don't destroy those, the droids will march right into the factory.
The droids over there!
Ally on site! Never seen droids so scared! Destroy those transports and fast! Standard fire's not gonna cut it. We've gotta soften the ships up. Try to get creative with the ATTE's heavy cannon. Setting up a shot. Flanker scan.
kill shot.
Setting up a shot. Droid scanned. Walker down. Repeat. Walker down.
I think we should slip right by.
Found a squad with a few ATEs to spare, but don't waste them because they're all we've got till reinforcements arrive.
Delivering the kill shot.
Their shields are down.
Targeting droid. New enemy just landed. Can't identify.
Just keep the pressure on the transport a little longer. The hard cells defenses have been restored.
Right.
Quick! Fire before they restore the defenses! The defenses are back up. Transport destroyed. Let's get the other one.
Got droids over there.
Delivering the kill shot.
Setting up a shot.
Hurry! The shields will be back up any second. Time to blow those... That droid wagon's about ready to blow. The shields are back in place again.
Getting infantry.
Tank deployed. Watch your hits.
Targeting hostiles.
The transport's vulnerable. Nobody ever accused clones of being subtle. The Republic's open for business, boys.
All right, clones, you want a few extra bodies. You'll have to set the table for us. There's a good site for an LZ up near those abandoned turbo lasers.
It's your show, troopers. Secure the LZ for our gun crews.
Having grenades.
Those droids are following someone. Can't ID.
Laying down covering fire.
We've got droids pulling back to the other core ships. This is going down soon.
Who is that? Someone slaughtering our troops!
Orca's a goner.
At the LZ!
Dropping an HTE on the battlefield. Darth Maul has arrived. Be careful, brothers.
Grenade! Make way!
Starting the LZ party now.
Pull those triggers till your fingers are ready to fall off.
We lost the HTE.
Already.
General Grievous has been spotted.
Grenade out!
Cover our crews. They're almost at the guns.
Laying down covering fire.
It's not every day you stop an army and destroy a droid factory. Remarkable.
Artillery! Fire when ready!
Enjoy your...